Welcome to Kartra Answers Q&A, helping you build better funnels, brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. Today, we're going to answer a few questions from Kartra Community. And do you have your own questions? Post it in the comments, and while you're there, hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Ready to go? Let's dive in. For this question, I will use an important campaign called Personal Brand for Mail. It's actually a very well designed set of pages. And where is the double opt-in configured? Well, it will be configured in the forms, but let's look at the behavior of the single opt-in. So here's a page, my blog page, and we have a typical embedded form. And as you can see, I can subscribe to any content by simply providing my name and email address. And when I click on subscribe, I can see another page which is called thank you page, but in this case is taking me back to the same page. This is what it's called a single opt-in. How can we improve that, and how can we add Captcha to it? So this is configured in forms, and in the forms, currently you can actually see it's a single opt-in. How would we change it to a double opt-in? So this process actually requires an extra step. You will see this in a moment. So as we continue configuration of the form, here it is. We have an option of changing it to a double opt-in. Now, the double opt-in will send an email to a person opting in with a confirmation link, and only after they click on that link, they will be enrolled in the list or added to Kartra as a lead. This certainly prevents the excessive number of spam, but also I notice on my own in my own Kartra that number of leads is dropping significantly as some people don't follow through the double opt-in. So the success page is defined here. So let's enable the double opt-in. Confirmation link will be sent by email, and you can configure various attributes, including your email address, then the actual content, the copy of the email. You can see that there is a dynamic variable link here. And there will be a default Kartra confirmation page. You can build a custom page for that. I'm going to use the default page. You will see in a moment how that works. Okay, so that's it. I don't have to do anything else. I can refresh my page here. And when I click on subscribe, this time, rather than going back to the same page, Kartra displays me a temporary page that tells me, hey, in a moment, you'll get an email that you should use to confirm your identity, confirm the intent of opting in. Is this the best way of managing spam? I think so. It's good, but I have switched mine to Captcha. So in order to do that, I actually have to go back in the form, and I have to disable the double opt-in. It doesn't make sense to have double opt-in with Captcha. You will see in a moment why. So I'm going to just say, keep this as a single opt-in, but I'm going to go back to the form fields, and I'm going to add additional form field by clicking on a new field. And is this a custom or existing? It's actually an existing field. It's built into the Kartra fields, and it's always the last one. So when you add Captcha, you can certainly make it mandatory. It only makes sense. You can provide the prompt, and I'm just going to use the default settings to show you how that works. So save, just to exit from here, save and next, and back to the form. It doesn't have Captcha yet. I just need to refresh it. And once it's refreshed, now we have the retype code. If I try to cheat and just say, hey, I don't want to opt in, well, you have to. So what is it? 9S6UM. Subscribe. If I got the code right, I'm being added to Kartra. All right, that's it. Thank you. If you find this content useful, click on like and subscribe. It helps our channel and you'll get notified when we post the new content. So thank you in advance. Visit our page for more information and to join our free membership with Kartra tips and tricks and free downloadable funnel templates. Do you want to be part of the community and have the access to live Q&As? Join us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Next video is coming soon.